It wasn't recorded until I recorded it on my 1964 album, which is available in the lobby for an incredibly low price, probably the lowest price of the year. And this is shameless self-promotion, but we do have some CDs out there for sale, and there's also, if you buy 2 CDs, you get a free DVD of our Bob Fest show. But then you have to go out and buy a DVD player, so it's not much of a deal, but $20 for the phone. Today was not an endless highway. Tonight was not a crooked trail. If tomorrow wasn't such a long time, then lonesome would mean nothing to me at all. Listen, only in my own true love is waiting. And if I could hear her heart softly pounding, and only if she was lying by me, would I lie in my bed once again. I can see my reflection in the water. I can hear the sounds that show no pain. I can hear the echo of my footsteps. Can't remember the sound of my own name. Yes, and only if my own true love is waiting. And if I could hear her heart softly pounding, only if she were lying by me, would I lie in my bed once again. There's beauty in the silver singing river. There's beauty in the rainbow in the sky. None of these and nothing else can match the beauty I remember in my true love's eyes. Yes, and only if my own true love was waiting. And if I could hear her heart softly pounding, only if she were lying by me, would I lie in my bed once again. Yes, and only if my own true love was waiting. And if I could hear her heart softly pounding, only if she was lying by me, would I lie in my bed, I'd rest in my bed, I'd lie